Hello and welcome back to my channel. I just saw about an hour ago the best YouTube video, and I wanted to share a DIY that this lady taught me. All of these things are from the dollar store. These are solar stake lights. I got a silver one, and then I got a black one. I got this mason jar. It has where you can put the tea light in it. It screws on. You can really use any mason jar. You just want to make sure that you want to be able to leave the lid open. And if the lid is not open, you can always cut that out. And then I got a jar that is more like a lantern. And just $1 at the dollar store. I got 2 bags of the glass stones. And you're gonna die. And I'm gonna link her video down below. I can't remember what her channel's called, but I'll link her video because she has a couple other DIYs for these stake lights and stuff. But the first thing I'm gonna do is take off the little tags on the bottom. I don't want these to show. And then I'm going to snip off the little tea light holder, hopefully. The last one I just broke off. I just moved the last one like this until it broke off. Because you're gonna cover it up anyways. But if you have 10 snips, you can just snip it off too. I don't want anybody to get cut. And then you don't need this part, so you can trash that. And then you put this back on your jar, and you just have the top. Then you're going to take your stake light. You're going to take off the bottom part, which is the stake, to pull out your things so that your light works. And then I'm going to glue mine very carefully so it almost covers up those little holes. But I really don't mind them because it just kind of gives it. And I just got multi-purpose cement from the dollar store, because when I saw this DIY, I went straight to the dollar store and picked up these things. And then you just set this on carefully and let that set up. And then you have, let me turn off my lamp. You have your little lantern, which is so cute. But I'm gonna put these like in our flower beds. And you can also put decorative stone in the bottom. I'll show you another one that I'm gonna do that I'm gonna use the decorative stone or the decorative glass. I have, so you don't need your stake anymore. This one is super simple. I got 2 bags of the glass stone, and I'm going to pour them down. This one has the hook so I can hang it up out back like a lantern. Pour the decorative stone in. And then I used a silver one because I just thought it was prettier for the top of this. You take your stake off the bottom, pull out your little buttons so that your light works. I always check mine to make sure that they work. And then you're just gonna move your stones, your glass stones around so that this keeps going down until it's all the way to the bottom and in the center, just like so. And then you have a little lantern, but it shows up with all the glass stones, so it makes little lights. And I'm gonna hang them out back on our little patio. But this is the most simple, you know, I'm a rustic kind of person. I'm a kind of a farmhouse decor country rustic. So I love using mason jars, and these are the most simple DIYs for backyard lighting that you can. It's taken me, what, this video is maybe 3 or 4 minutes long, and yeah, you just have to let your glue set up, which it is. And I'm gonna put some in my like I have a table with some plants on it. I have a log out back that it's kind of like a table in between our chairs. I'm going to put a couple up there, a couple on the ground in between our chairs. I'm going to put a couple around my plant stand. And it's just such pretty lighting in that rustic country feel. And this each one cost me $2. 1, 2, so 2, 4, 6, 8. I bought 6 to do like this. The mason jars at the top, and then I bought 3 of the lanterns because that's all they had left. So I have to check out my other Dollar Trees to see. But you can also, like, we have a fence out back. If you get shower, what does she call them? Shower hooks, just regular shower hooks. You get 12 at the dollar store. And you mount them on your fence, then you can stick your stake right down into the shower curtain, and it holds it right onto your fence. So super easy, super inexpensive. I loved this DIY, and I ran out and got all the stuff. And yeah, I'll try and take a picture tonight and post it on my Instagram when it gets darker. It's only 6:30 here, so it doesn't get dark very early. So yeah, I'll be back soon with another crafty planner or beauty video.